That's Nico looking for some chipmunks. Saw running around here. And I just wanted to show you this wreckage in this area below Dishpan Gap. I'm not sure if it's wind or landslide. I'm gonna speculate it's wind. I would say water, but if you look up here, up this hill, it's just wrecked up this hill. I guess maybe wind. I don't see any evidence of a landslide. It's just crazy. I guess I might as well give you a 360 now. I'm balancing on a log, so bear with me. Let's see what Nico's up to. What you up to, Nico? Okay, that's it. Goodbye.